Running with the pack. Come on, guys. Boing it up, boing it up, boing it up, boing it up. Whew. And Chuck, twinge. Right. Got Nico. Front. This is Forrest. We got Tip and Clone, 3 brothers from Piper, this young lady right here. Then we got Chuck, and we got Norm over here. Looks just like Forrest, little brother. Whoa! Oh, Forrest, you just took that. Norm and Chuck from Nico. Clone is the only one. Looks like Piper, obviously. Forrest Gump. Yeah, Forrest. Have hugs. Oh. I love your hugs. She's the cutest. Little Tip here. Tip! Tip's my mom's favorite. He's the runt out of all 5. Got a whole crew of little guys. The mamas just follow everywhere they go. So cute. Oh, yawn. Oh, so adorable. They just got their horns done. Their heads are all shaved, their horns are all cut down. So sad. They look kind of goofy. Piper. This is my adorable family. Oh. And of course the adorable Gizmo. He's our farm dog now. This is him, Dirty. Such a frou-frou, such a frou-frou.